Are you ready to master chemistry like never before? Struggling with tough concepts? Confused about competitive exams? We've got the ultimate solution for you. What is MindFuel Hub? A revolutionary chemistry learning platform for students and aspirants. MindFuel Hub is created by passionate educators Kashif Iqbal and Muhammad Ziad, who bring years of teaching experience to make learning exciting, simple, and result-oriented. What's inside MindFuel Hub? Complete chemistry lectures, competitive exam preparation, motivational content, study hacks, exam stress management, and success stories, exciting chemistry experiments. Who should subscribe? Students from school to university level, competitive exam aspirants, teachers and educators for updated teaching techniques, curious minds. Are you ready to take your learning to the next level? Subscribe now. Turn on the notification bell and be a part of a thriving learning community.